passed by. Santa knows what you did. Welcome, welcome aboard the world famous Jingle Cruise. Wait, no, Jingle Cruise. Yeah, that was my first Noel. My name is Skipper Owen, and for the next 12 exciting days, I will be your skipper, your tree trimmer, your gift wrapper, your stocking stuffer, and your secret Santa. Wait, forget about that last part. That's supposed to be a surprise. We begin our journey deep in the Amazon River, also known as the I Want to Go See Santa River, surrounded on all sides by humbugs. Now, we actually get a lot of bugs in this area of the jungle. Like, if you're itching right now, please don't be alarmed. That's just the police, not the dog. Now, over on our fourth side, you're going to see Inspiration Falls. Everybody say, ooh. Ooh. Now, everybody say, ah. Ah. Now, we call it Inspiration Falls because it inspires even the biggest Scrooge to go caroling. So, Jingle Cruise, Jingle Cruise, Jingle all the way. Hey, it worked! Oh, I feel so inspired. So I think that we should head on to the Congo River. Let's see just how far our Jingle Boat can go today. Now, up ahead, you're going to see a very interesting store that we like to call Boats and Baits and Bites. And here, they really know how to celebrate the holiday season. You'll always find someone waiting to wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah, and of course, a Happy New Year. Now, I actually bought a gift for somebody from there. It should be set up right behind you if you got it ready in time. And, oh my goodness, yeah, that's a mistake. That's supposed to be a partridge in a pair of trees, but it's turned into an old tree wrapped up with a nice boa on top. Isn't that interesting? I think the person I'm giving that to is going to like it. Now, over at my camp, we are having quite an explosive celebration. So much hey, they finally got my truck to turn over. Isn't that great? I guess one of those gorillas got a monkey wrench in their stuff. Asking for all year. It's truly a fisherman's miracle. Right now, we can go on to the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world, going on for 4,000 miles. It's very difficult to sail because it's got a strong heel tide, but I think we can manage. Now, up ahead, you're going to see an African elephant. Now, that elephant can actually eat up to 900 pounds in a single day. Isn't that interesting? Except during holiday season, of course, because then it doubles to 1,800 pounds. Now, over here is one of our boulder attractions, the Jingle Bell Rock. A lot of people take it for granted, but not me. It's clearly a boulder. And we've just entered into the Great African Belt, where the hand of man has never set foot. It's home to a wide variety of animals, from here all the way down to there. We've got some striped reindeer, some horned reindeer, some long-necked reindeer, some bearded reindeer. They've all thrown out their winter coats. They don't want to catch pneumonia. And yeah. Don't worry about that striped reindeer right here. He's just pretending to sleep. That way he doesn't have to talk to his extended family. But it looks like they're still trying anyway. Let's just leave it be. Now around this bend, as you can see, Mr. Rhino is decorating his Christmas tree. Now normally when I decorate, I use popcorn strings or ornaments. But it looks like Skipper Felix and his entire crew. Yeah, I don't think they're going to be making it home in time for the holidays. Unless they get some help from those alpine eagles. Or if you like to call them here in the middle of the jungle, Santa's little yelpers. So let's head on into crocodile country, where danger lurks around every bend. And there he is. Well, actually, his name is Smiley, but Danger's his middle name. He's accompanied by his girlfriend, Ginger, and he treats her very nicely because, folks, Ginger snaps. Yeah, she wants us to eat. Don't worry, don't worry. They won't actually attack us, not unless we're sailing into this country. Oh my goodness, we are. Let's keep sailing, everybody. Behold, the majestic Schweitzer Falls. Now, Schweitzer Falls is actually named after the legendary North Pole explorer, Dr. Snow Falls. Wow, that had a positive response. I think I should move on, but sadly, all of our flights out of the jungle, well, they've been grounded. So if you're looking to travel anywhere this holiday season, I recommend you travel by reindeer. They are a lot more efficient and a lot easier to find at this time of the year. And speaking of things that are easy to find, up ahead is where Skipper Felix decides all the fishermen gifts. And oh no, we're surrounded by hungry hippos. I should have been more specific on that wish list. Don't worry, don't worry. I can scare them away. Hey! Santa's watching you! You don't want me on the naughty list, do you? Okay, I think that worked. So let's keep on sailing. Now up ahead, you'll see the only thing jollier than a bowl full of jelly. A boat full of chips. becoming Grandma's chimp party. And that is quite a festive occasion. I really should swing by and get the chance. The fruitcake is absolutely bananas. And my good friend of mine over there, a chimp I like to call Annette. Now, Annette loves to catch butterflies. It's her favorite hobby. But it's also extremely difficult. Yeah, the only thing that I managed to catch when I tried to catch butterflies was a cold. But do you know what made me feel better? The eighth wonder of the world. The real reason you came to the world-famous Jingle Cruise. The amazing, the incredible, the stupendous, the spectacular, backside of water! Yeah! Oh, to wait! Oh, to wait! Oh, it's a Boxing Day miracle, isn't it? Well, we just arrived on the Mekong River. I don't know about you, but this side up ahead is Mekong be nervous. We've got a mile of residue here in a dark tunnel entrance there. So you know what this tells me, right? If I'm not mistaken, we are about to enter Santa's workshop. So everybody be on your best behavior. Oh, great. Everybody be on your best behavior because we are going inside. Identical to the one they lost earlier today. And as you can see, the people who shop here really do not monkey around when it comes to holiday season, and neither do I, because this is actually where I got all of my holiday gifts for you. Because guess what? I am your secret Santa this year. You totally didn't know that going in. Do you want to know what I got you?
What?
I got you all incredible jungle lands. Aren't they amazing? Now you can name them. We've got Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen and Comet and Cupid and Thunder and Blitzen. And down there you can see a very, very special jungle land to me. Does anybody want to take a guess who I named it? Yes. No. I named it Fern. Because it looks like a fern. Yeah, it's very pretty, isn't it? Well, everyone, I've got to tell you, out of all of the cruises that I've had, you guys have definitely been, by far, the most recent. I'm just kidding. You guys have been great. I very much enjoyed taking all of you on the world-famous Jingle Cruise. I hope that you all enjoyed being taken. Wait, that didn't sound right. Let me try that again. I very much enjoyed having all of you on the world-famous Jingle Cruise. I hope that you've all enjoyed being had. Is that sound better?
Yeah.
I'm getting some mixed signals here. So, I'm gonna have to think of a better way to send you all off. But while I think about that, how would you like to listen to a good, old-fashioned Christmas carol? Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
All right. This is one of my favorites. You're gonna love it. Me, 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 me. Marley was dead to begin with. Dead as a doornail. Wait, no, that's A Christmas Carol. Yeah. I shouldn't have given you such great expectations, but it was quite the Oliver twist, wasn't it? Yeah. It's not the first time I've had a misunderstanding during the holiday season, though. Last year, I actually went to a white elephant holiday party for the very first time. So, I didn't know what I was supposed to bring. So you know what I brought? A white elephant. Yeah, that elephant went on a rampage and destroyed all of the presents, all of the food, even all of the decorations. And they even included this on the invitation this year. Skipper Owen, do not bring a white elephant to this year's white elephant party. A little bit embarrassing, perhaps, but the lesson needs to be learned. But if there's no white elephant there, who am I going to tell all of my elephant holiday jokes to? Wait, can I tell you guys an elephant holiday joke?
Yeah.
You're gonna love this one. It's not really an elephant holiday joke, it's more of an elephant holiday fact, but you're gonna find it interesting. Did you know that before Santa used 8 tiny reindeer to pull his sleigh, he actually used 8 large elephants? It's true, it's true. They caused so much roof damage, he had to make the switch over. But when he did that, he lost a lot of trunk space, so I'm still not sure it was the best course of action. Yeah, I personally think he should have stuck with the elephants. And very soon we will be approaching the most dangerous part of our tour, the return to civilization. So please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times, and supervise children until we come to a full and complete stop at the dock. And friends, we have laughed together, we have cried together, and we very, very nearly died together. So I think that makes us more than friends. I think it makes us a family. So in the spirit of family, I'm going to leave you the same words that my parents left me with when I went home for the holidays last year. They said, Skipper Owen, it's so nice you came back for the holidays, but you moved out 2 years ago. This is no longer your home. Make like Santa and leave our presents. Get out.